One part of the Florida Public Safety Institute's campus now has a new look and a new name. The Sheriff Ken Katsaris courtroom has officially been unveiled. For decades, Katsaris has impacted public safety in Tallahassee, from training thousands of professionals to working some of the area's most high-profile cases.
To see this courtroom that I have taught in for so many years with my name on it is something so unfathomable to me to believe.
FPSI's executive director, Janet Hartman, says the name of the courtroom represents more than just a career. It represents a standard.
Not only was he a law enforcement officer, he was a sheriff of Leon County, but he went on to be an expert witness and provide expert testimony across, the nation. And so the courtroom being named after him was not only a dedication to what he's done in legal studies, but what he's done for kind of showing students what it is to go from being a sheriff or a law enforcement officer and becoming an expert witness.
And now that legacy will help train the next generation of public safety professionals. The space mirrors a real courtroom with roles for a judge, jury, plaintiff, and defense. Recruits will even have the chance to practice testifying from the witness stand.
We're committed to ensuring that all of our students receive scenario-driven, hands-on training. That kind of gives them an opportunity to try it first. So when they actually end up testifying in court later in their careers, they feel like, oh, I've done this before. I've tried this before, and it helps them be better prepared for court. It helps them be better prepared to support their case.